it's Lisa the Catholic Marathon Mom. I got something in the mail and I want to show it to you. I ordered it because I've been seeing a lot of buzz about this game on Instagram, and it's called Togather. The creator of this game is a mom and her kids designed that. Isn't that fun? So I just want to unbox it with you guys and see what it's like. She put this game together to be used at the dinner table or whenever your family's gathering, because there's a tendency right now with how busy everybody is that once you sit down for dinner and you ask your kids how their day was or what's going on with school, that they just say fine. Oh, well, how did school go? Fine. Was anything new happen? No. To have some way to bring up those subjects, those things that you want to know about your kids, that you want to know what's going on in school, and maybe they just don't even know how to start it with you. So I'm looking forward to checking out this fun game because I love my family so much. I love my kids so much. I'm kind of quiet at that point of the day too. And so I think this one might be really nice to add to our time together. We are all going a million miles an hour and we just want to know more about each other. This is the Togather game. I just opened it up and there is a sweet card here and it's from Jennifer. She made this game. I'm just gonna take some more time to read this, but very sweet. She just says, "Hi Lisa, thanks so much for believing in Togather. I'm so excited to share this with your family." I was so excited because they offered a buy one, give one, or buy one, play one offer. So she sent her card as well. Let's open it up, see what it's like. Just little packaging. Okay, so it's like a book, and it says a game to plant and harvest moments with families around the table, togathermoments.com. So it's got some drawings, and then it's got, says the time we have with our family is the time we are given to plant seeds. And a table of contents, and this is really cool. This is the part that I've been excited to get to. Okay, so here are the stickers. And so the idea is that each person at the table, or maybe just one person at a time, will choose the stickers and they'll go around to other people at the table. You choose one of these stickers, and here's an example of one of them. Things that make me go, meaning like something that you would say. Things that make me go, that was beautiful. Or things that make me go, you've got to be kidding me. And then that child can share and then pass it to another one, or they can keep that one sticker. And I believe it folds out, yep. So it folds out into different questions, and then there's more, like name 5 things on the kitchen counter at the present moment. And I guess you have to like run around and find out those things. And again, it folds out more. So there's a lot of stickers to be using. Oh, I'm really excited about this. Oh my gosh, look at this. Tell one of the children at the table how they are a good leader to other people their age. I love this. So I can just see this at like a family reunion or Thanksgiving or Christmas coming up. I'm so happy we got it. I cannot wait to start playing this game with the family. Jennifer, you put together a beautiful book, a beautiful game. Proudly made in Kentucky, USA. Oh, this is great. On the back it says, accept the challenge, grab some food, gather your crew, sit down together. And that was created for small moments, ways to connect. I have another video about how to talk with your kids. You could click the card there and you can go to that. But that video is about like the little ways that we can listen in a special way, and particularly be intentional in the way we bring up subjects with our kids and talk about it. But this sounds like so much fun and I cannot wait to play it. Find them on Instagram, Togather Moments. See if you can go ahead and pick one up for your family. And newsflash, they have a Togather Advent Edition. You can get this Advent version of the Togather game for your family. So I just saw that, so I'm gonna go and check it out myself. So I just wanted you to know. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.